In this video I show you how tough the process of testing KRAZ military trucks in Africa is. The car passed the tests beyond my imagination. Personally, I feel that this will be a perfect car if it is widely sold to the market. I have never seen such a huge machine, absolutely gigantic. But it takes a long time to put the machine in the right position for unloading.
I think you unloaded 2 trucks with a smaller, more flexible machine like a core excavator.
TWRTD 3026 with twin grapple, truck unloading work cycle. Your work will be solved completely quickly with the TWRTD 3026. Dragmax Ural 375 clearing snow from the road and helping the Urals after the storm. The story of only the Russians and their extremely powerful trucks. The Ural with a heavy load was trying to get through the mud and snow that covered the road. Harvesting turnips in winter in the Voronezh region. The truck pulled 2 heavy wooden trailers trying to cross the muddy road. After many unsuccessful attempts, the driver decided to jump down and use a small shovel to level the potholes, making the car unable to pass. Despite leaving the wooden trailer, the car still can't seem to get through. Maybe it needs help. The most horrible journey I bet you've never experienced. I never thought I'd have to drive through these muddy roads all by myself. The driver of the Ural seems to be quite experienced when driving the car through muddy roads like this. He drives the car back to gain momentum and then tries to pass. The ZIL 157 crashes in the middle of the road. This is a 3-axle medium truck built between 1958 and 1994 in the Soviet Union.
His wooden truck driver is very brave when pulling for wooden wagons on the road at the same time.
ZIL 131 Extreme 6x6 wood truck carrying a lot of people seems to have been subdued by the snow-covered road. The Pound 44 to 510 rig is the most powerful model in Liebherr's popular Pound series. Despite its large size, this rig can be easily transported and offers a high degree of maneuverability on the job site. The short turning radius of the upper carriage allows operation in tight spaces. The leader can be folded.